Moderate mag. 4.3 earthquake, Arad, 16 kilometers east of Arad, Romania, on Monday, May 22, 2023 at 8:46 p.m. local time, according to the GFZ, German Research Center for Geosciences reported. Updated, May 22, 2023 17:53 Greenwich Mean Time 3 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Overview, quake data, interactive map, user reports, earlier quakes here, quakes in Romania, Arad, TIMIŠ, Bucuresti. Moderate magnitude 4.3 earthquake at 10 kilometers depth. This quake is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.